Hey guys, so earlier this week Apple released two new chargers, which is quite interesting. I wanted to share the unboxing and this information of Apple's brand new chargers. Now, we don't get chargers with iPhones anymore, but Apple continues to make these, and you can purchase these for 60 bucks. As you can see right there, $59. You can get it at your local Apple store, and they're out right now. These two new chargers are both dual USB-Cs, and this is a new design, something we've never seen from Apple. These are dual USB-C ports, 35 watt. This is a compact adapter, and this is the standard. So we're going to take a look at both here, and there we go. We have some instructions and the charger. Yes, no cables. Is there any cables in here? Nope, just the box. So there it is. This is the new design for the USB-C or dual USB-C design, as you can see right here. There it is. And let's go ahead and get this one out of the package. You can fold these little prongs here, just like before. And of course, you can remove this here as well. So if you're traveling, different adapters for different parts of the world, that's that. And that's the difference between that one and this one. This one, I guess you have to buy for your region because you can't really remove that piece. So let's go in here as well. As you can see right there on the back, you can connect two USB-C cables. And let's open the smaller compact version. I think I like this one better. I think this one just looks a lot better in my opinion. So inside of here, we have paperwork, documentation, same old, and no cable with this one either. So just obviously you're gonna have to have a cable, just the brick here, and there it is. This is the brand new design. So this one is entirely a new design here, as you can see right there. So we have side-by-side USB-Cs, 35 watt, the prongs sort of tucked in. The difference here, keep in mind, on the compact one, you don't have the ability to remove this piece here. So this one you have to buy region specific. It has two little dents here on the side. I guess this one's better if you're like putting it against a wall, so it's kind of sort of flush with the wall. And there it is right there, designed by Apple. Two new chargers, which are now available: USB-C 35 watt compact and the standard. Let me know what you think about these new chargers in those comments down below. Do you think these are worth it? Thank you for watching this really quick unboxing videos of Apple's brand new USB-C chargers, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.